How to create group chat on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat on your TikTok app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your TikTok app. Then once you're on your TikTok app, you have to tap on inbox in the bottom right side here. Then in the top right you will see here these two message icons. You have to tap on it, and then from here you will see your friends list. So I don't have much friends, so that's why it's showing only one, but if you have many you can tap on search bar and search for the friends you want to add to your group chat. And then after selecting, you will see here this chat option. You have to tap on it and the group chat will be created. Now here you can send messages in your group chat. And so this is how you can create a group chat on your TikTok app. Thanks for watching.